In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a contract on HoneyBook. This is perfect for freelancers, creatives, and business owners who want to send professional contracts and get them signed online. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And on the home page, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the My Files. If you do, there is going to be a drop-down menu, and all I have to do is super simple. I want you to click the contracts. What will happen is you will be forwarded to start with a template, which is ideal if you don't want to start from scratch, which is highly advisable, especially if you are new here in HoneyBook. But if you want to create a new contract from scratch, you can do so, or if you want to import contract PDF, you can do that as well. Now, the thing is, you can also create a contract using an AI generative, okay? But for now, what I'm gonna do is click the create a contract here, okay? Click the create contract button. You will be forwarded to the contract editor, and it may take a little while for it to load. At this point, let me tell you that HoneyBook is not available in all regions or countries. So if it's not available, you might want to use a VPN for that. Now, you need to complete all the required fields. All right. For example, you need to put in some information for the contract or click to sign. And if the signature is required, okay, signer name, signer details, and once you are happy with that, okay, all I have to do is super simple. I want you to click the preview button to make sure that everything is correct. Once you're happy, you also have the option to view it on desktop or laptop or on mobile device. It's super simple. Click the exit preview. Once you're happy, click the share button. Okay, all I have to do is you want to make sure to check all of the details here, click the share button, and basically that's how you create a contract here on HoneyBook. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.